Here in North America, Toyota is celebrating a 19% growth in their 2025 electric vehicle sales, and that represents about half of the total sales volume. The automaking giant just took the wraps off an SUV that has been in our lives for the past 25 years. And as Jasmine Simpkins tells us, it's all electric and it seats 7.
Tonight, Highlander's story adds a new chapter.
Striking style, everyday versatility, and battery electric efficiency. That's the all-new 2027 Toyota Highlander. With a stunning new look inside and out and seating for up to 7, the latest Highlander is the all-electric Toyota built to carry your entire crew. It is also Toyota's first 3-row battery electric vehicle for the U.S. market and the first all-electric vehicle assembled in America.
We are super excited about this vehicle. It's got room for 7, great for families, all battery electric power. This product is absolutely a stunner in styling. Really roomy inside, high-tech features.
This diversified approach allows Toyota to adapt to changing consumer preferences and EV adoption curves, specifically focusing on strengthening hybrid sales while scaling up battery manufacturing for future demand.
If you look at the way the product platform has evolved over the last few years, almost everything has some level of electrification, some level of hybridization in most cars, and some, of course, the model lines are purely hybrid right now, which means it's the logical point in time for Toyota to start building out its battery electric side of the portfolio.
The 2027 Highlander joins the Toyota BZ Woodland, and CHR models as the 4th BEV in Toyota's lineup. For example, here is the 2026 Toyota BZ Woodland, the all-electric Toyota that's made for life in the great outdoors. With a standard all-wheel drive and 375 horsepower combined system output. Altogether, Toyota will soon offer 22 different models equipped with electrified powertrains.
They've covered every single segment and subsegment of the crossover market. So clearly, they see room for another.
The 2027 model kicks off the model's 5th generation and carries forward Highlander's push to continually evolve its style, everyday usability, elevated comfort, and efficiency. This approach has proven successful, with electrified vehicles, including hybrids, representing roughly 50% of total sales value in some periods of 2024 and 2025. Sales of the new Highlander are expected to begin later this year, continuing into early 2027, with prices to be announced closer to the sale date. In Ojai, California, this is Jasmine Simpkins.
Now, in 2025 alone, Toyota North America reported that its overall sales were up 8%, with year-end electrified Toyota and Lexus sales making up 47% of their total sales volume. The company offers 30 EV options between both the Toyota and the Lexus brands.